give a little disclaimer before I go. If this video is in a certain way, I'm not in control of the natural light that I'm using, so please, there's literally nothing I can do about it. I didn't charge any of my external lights yesterday. So today I am going to talk about one of the most common complaints people have when it comes to retinol. Please tell you guys to, if you can, because retinoids are not cheap, and I always tell people that if you know you have that money to invest into retinol and using retinol, you're not going to regret it. There is a phase that is popularly known as the purging phase if you are just trying to introduce yourself to retinol. For somebody who wants to go into using retinoid, they always tell you to start with retinol, which is advisable because retinol is more mild and retinol is more aggressive. So you can start with retinol, but even at that, there are still people who kind of experience that purging phase. In fact, a lot of people experience a purging phase when it comes to retinol, and I'm simply going to talk about the things that is causing you to experience that, as far as even having worst hyperpigmentation. I know I've talked about the fact that all of these things help with hyperpigmentation. If you're using it the wrong way, you're going to have a severe hyperpigmentation. So that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. First and foremost, if you're trying to start, or if you're just starting out, please, with the lowest percentage, just start with the lowest percentage. Don't go as far as start using the highest percentage. Lowest percentage is what you should start with. And if you are just introducing your skin to this active, please split it out. You can even use it as low as maybe twice a week. If you are just introducing your skin to it, know fully well that there are a lot of people, it does not even have to do with retinol alone. There are a lot of people that when there's a change in their skincare routine, their skin is going to purge. Purging basically means breaking out a lot of roughness on your skin and stuff, for those who don't get the context. This is going to help your skin to find a balance. Another thing that I want to tell you that is going to help you to escape the purging phase is to invest in a product that hydrates your face. So let's say you're working with an hyaluronic serum and you have a retinoid serum at hand as well that you want to use. So for an example, you want to use the retinoid serum and you have hyaluronic serum with you as well. This is the way you're going to use it. Your hyaluronic serum first before the retinol. Even if you wish, you can still top it up with hyaluronic serum as well. I am saying this because this is going to help you for the first few months. A lot of people experience this purging phase in their first week of using retinol, and I don't want you to experience the same as well. So it's just something that gives your skin a healthy look when your skin finally settles with it. So that's why I always say, if you can let your skin get used to it, is really going to help you. It will slow down the signs of aging on your skin, wrinkles and stuff. So that's why retinol is very, very big, and you see a lot of people talk about it and tell you to use it. The purging phase makes a lot of people run away from using it, so you can get hyaluronic serum. This is really going to help you. Another product I'm sure that is going to help you is the product I talked about in my last video, the snail essence. This is going to help you as well. If you have snail essence as well, you don't need to go get hyaluronic acid again. You can use that snail essence. Even if it is the cream that you have as well, you can use the cream, layer it on your face first, then use your retinol, and then you can still layer it back on your face. So when you do that for like the first 3 weeks of you just introducing your skin to retinol, then you can start increasing the number of times you use it in a week to maybe 3 times a week, 4 times a week, and then you can now start increasing the percentage. So it's just for you to just pass that purging stage. So if you know that you want to get retinol, just don't rush and go and buy the higher one because you want it to kind of like help you clear, verify. You want it to work fast. There's nothing like fast. It is your skin getting to know this product and accepting them before you can now start seeing results. You need a lot of patience. Well, you need to be consistent. These two things are so big when you're using any of this product because they don't work like miracle at all. Your consistency is what you're going to look at in the mirror one day and see the results that you want. So if you're using retinol and you're experiencing a purging phase, and because of that you have dropped your retinol and you don't want to use it again, go back and pick it up and go get hyaluronic with it, and this is going to help you with your purging phase as well. So increase it the more your skin start getting used to it. In my next video, I am going to talk about how you can identify each active for your skin type. So let's say you know your skin type and you need an active that will help you with acne and other things. And I'm going to talk about how you can identify each active that's suitable for your skin type. So make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you turn your bell notification on so that when this video goes live, you're going to definitely see it. If you are currently using retinoid, please let me know in the comment section, or do you experience any form of purging and did that make you stop using it? Please let me know how it goes in the comment section. Thank you guys once again for joining me, and I will definitely see you guys in my next video.